how to listen to your local music in Spotify. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can listen to your local music which is stored in your mobile device on the Spotify application. So let me show you how you can do that. So first we will be launching our Spotify application by tapping onto the app icon. Now this will lead us in the Spotify application. Now in the Spotify you will need to click onto your profile picture at the top left, and once you have clicked here you will need to go to settings and privacy. So simply go to settings and privacy, and then from here you can scroll down, or you might also find this option that says apps and devices. So simply click on apps and devices, and from here under the other devices you will see this option that says local device visibility, and just beneath it you will see local audio files. Lets you add tracks from this device to your library. So simply enable this local audio files option, and now if you'll go to your library you can see local files right here. So simply click onto this local file, and then you can add your own music that is stored in your device. To do so, click onto this add audio option and then click onto this allow option, and now you can see that all of my local music has been successfully fetched by the Spotify application. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.